Hi, in this video we're going to show you a way that you could keep a certain application on top of others. So let's say you want to have the calculator always on top. You could use this method to do so. So we've done a few videos on how to do this, so we figured we'd show you another way. So we're going to be using the free Windhawk app to do so. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it's a tool you install and then you add what are known as mods into Windhawk, and then these mods can change the way Windows functions and looks. So there are tons of different mods for Windhawk that you could use. So we do have a playlist on some of the best ones, so I'll put that in the description as well. All right, so once you download and install Windhawk and open it up, you'll have your home section that shows any installed mods, featured mods, and then you can go to the Explore section, search for mods as well, filter them, sort them, and so on. So the one we're going to be using is called Always on Top Windows. So once you find it in the search box under the Explore section, click on Details and then Install. And then you'll see that Accept, Risk, and Install. You'll see that warning for any mod that you install. All right, then once you have it installed, it'll be on your home screen here. And you can see it's enabled by default once you install it. And you could disable it from here, remove it from here, go into details, do the same thing, disable and remove. This one does not have any settings. A lot of these mods will, but this one doesn't. So you can see here that it says to press Ctrl+Alt+T to pin or unpin the active window on top of all other windows. And it has some sound notifications. And you can see here it works with these older versions of Windows. Has not been tested on Windows 10 and 11, so we're using it on Windows 11. So far it seems to be working okay. So you could find out for yourself if you try this out. All right, so now that we have it running here, so by default, whatever one you move, so let's say I move a calculator here, it's going to go over the top of the other ones. And if I move Word, it's going to go over the top of the other ones. So whatever one you're dragging, it's going to go over the existing apps, like so. All right, so now let's say we want calculator pinned to the top. So we do Ctrl+Alt+T and it will make a sound. It should come through on the video recording here, so we'll find out. So Ctrl+Alt+T. And then to disable it, you do it again and it'll make a different sound. All right, so let's enable it again. All right, so now this should be on top. And now if we drag Word over it, it goes under it. And then same for Excel, like so. And then if we want to turn it off, same thing. And now Word goes over, Excel goes over. Of course, like I said before, it's going to depend on what you're dragging. All right, so let's pin this again. And now let's pin Word at the same time here. Now you can see Word is on top, but if we move it like this, it's not. And you can see this is under both, so it kind of pinned them both here on top. But you can see here, that goes over the top, and this one stays here. This one was pinned first. It's a little tricky. I would suggest using it just to pin one at a time, not trying to pin multiple apps. So let's go ahead, go back here, unpin this one. And now you can see it's underneath again, and this one is on top for both. All right, so as you can see, it's not too difficult once you have the mod installed. And like I just said, better to use it just to pin one at a time rather than trying to pin multiple on top. Otherwise, you're going to be confusing yourself and probably the app here as to which one is really on top. And then, of course, if you change your mind, you could come back to Windhawk. You can see it's on top here. You could disable it temporarily if you just want to not use it for a while. And you could also click on Remove if you want to remove it from Windhawk altogether. And then speaking of Windhawk, it needs to be running here in your system tray in order for your mods to work. So if you ever notice your mods aren't working, come down here to the system tray and make sure it's running. And if not, you can just click on the Start menu, restart Windhawk, and it should put it back. And then Windhawk should also be set to run with your computer when Windows starts, so you don't have to come here and start it manually. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Windhawk, and then just come search for Always on Top Windows in the Explore section in the search box. Click on Details, Install, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.